Friends, good morning. Today I am going to explain you question number 6 of financial statement. From the following trial balance of Sri Ved Vyas, prepare a trading and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2008 and the balance sheet as on that date. Additional information, stock at the end of year was rupees 60,000. Depreciate fixed assets by 10%, commission earned but not received amount to rupees 400, rent received in advance rupees 1000, allowed 8% interest on capital and charge 900 as interest on drawing. फर्स्ट फ्रेंड्स हमें पता है जब हम लोग ट्रेडिंग प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट बनाना स्टार्ट करते हैं तो फर्स्ट आइटम ऑफ ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट टू ओपनिंग स्टॉक. अब ओपनिंग स्टॉक हमारे क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है. ओपनिंग स्टॉक 36,000. ओपनिंग स्टॉक रुपीज 36,000. नेक्स्ट आइटम परचेज होता है ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट का और परचेज हमारे बुक में है 2,75,000 जिसमें से क्या माइनस करना है मुझे लेस परचेज रिटर्न और रिटर्न आउटवर्ड. परचेज रिटर्न आउटवर्ड रुपीज 9,000. 2,75,000 minus 9,000 are equal to 2,66,000. Credit first item by sales. Sales as per your trial balance 5,20,000 and less return, sales return also known as return inward your 15,000. 5,20,000 minus return 5,000, therefore net sales 5,05,000. Closing stock as per additional information rupees 60,000 are also presented in the asset side of balance sheet. Closing stock amount 60,000. Next item purchase return outward carriage are debited in trading account. Carriage amount 12,400. Next wages and salaries 58,600. Wages and salaries 58,600. Trade expense debited in profit and loss account to trade expense amount. Trade expense 2,200. Next item rent credit in your trial balance are also credited in profit and loss account. Rent received 13,000 and additional information rent received in advance 1,000 less received in advance rupees 1,000. 12,000 rent received in advance also presented in the liability side of balance sheet. Insurance 2,000 debited in profit and loss account amount 2,000. Next item audit fee 1,200. 1,200. Debtor and creditor. Debtor presented in the asset side of balance sheet amount 1,10,000 and creditors rupees 62,100. Bills receivable 3,300 and bills payable 2,200. Bills payable 2,200. Printing and advertising 5,500 to printing and advertisement 5,500. Commission credit 1,000 by commission rupees 1,000 and accrued commission Accrued commission means commission earned but not yet received. Accrued commission are also presented in the asset side of balance sheet. Cash in hand 12,800. Cash in hand 12,800. Cash at bank rupees 26,800. Bank loan 20,000. Bank loan 20,000. Interest on bank loan 1,500 are debited in profit and loss account. Interest on bank loan, interest on bank loan 1,500 are debited in profit and loss account. Capital 2,50,000. Capital 2,50,000. Add interest on capital at the rate of 8%. 2,50,000. 8% of 2,50,000 are equal to 20,000 are also debited in profit and loss account. Interest on capital rupees 20,000. Drawings 15,000. Add net profit less drawings rupees 15,000 and interest on drawing, interest on 800. Interest on drawing are also credited in profit and loss account. Interest on drawings 800. Fixed assets 3 lakhs. Fixed assets 3 lakhs. Depreciation on fixed assets at the rate of 10% are 30,000. 2,70,000. Depreciation are also debited in profit and loss account. Depreciation on fixed assets 30,000. Stock, fixed assets, commission, rent received in advance, allowed interest and charged interest on drawing. Total credit 5,65,000. 5,65,000. 5,65,000 minus 36,000 minus 2,66,000. 12,400 minus 58,600 equal to 1,92,000. 1,92,000. 2. Gross profit carried down to profit and loss account by gross profit brought down from trading account 1,92,000 plus 12,000 plus 1,400 plus 800 are equal to 2,06,200. 2,06,200 minus 2,200, 2,000, 1,200, 5,500 minus 1,500 minus 20,000 minus 30,000 are equal to 1,43,800. 400. Interest on drawing. Interest on drawing is 900. Interest on drawing is rupees 900. Interest on drawing is rupees 900. It is 2,06,300. 2,06,300 are equal to 1,43,900 net profit. 1,43,900 added with capital in the liability side of balance sheet plus 20,000 plus 2 lakhs 50,000 are equal to 4 lakhs 13,900 minus 15,900 are equal to 3 lakhs 98,000. 3 lakhs 98,000 plus 20,000 plus 62,100 plus 2,200 plus 1,000 are equal to total of balance sheet 4 lakhs 83,000, 4 lakhs 83,300, 4 lakhs 83,300. Thank you friends.